Hi, my name is Colin Ryan, and this is my presentation on storage devices. So, a quick overview. We're going to go over the similarities and differences between the file system structure of a Windows and Linux operating system, preference for one system over the other from the business perspective, storage solutions used in an enterprise network, and in the end, a Christian perspective and the ethical considerations of utilizing storage devices. So, what is a file system? File systems defines how files are named, stored, and accessed from a storage device. Some similarities we see between Windows and Linux is they're both organized disk-based files into hierarchy of directories. They both allow for encryption and they both run on the same hardware. Some differences we see between the two is Windows uses data drives such as A, C, D, and E to store files. Linux does not use drives. Windows also uses new technology file systems. That's the modern one. They used to use file allocation table. And Windows also uses backlashes for its file paths. You cannot have two files with the same name in Windows in the same folder, and you cannot delete and modify open files. Linux, though, is files are ordered in a tree-like structure starting with root directory. You can use / for your file paths. Everything is a file. With case-sensitive naming as well, you can have two files with the same name in the same folder as long as the case sensitive is different. And there's a large number of recovery tools for Linux. You can also delete and modify files while they are open. From a business perspective, I would choose Windows as my preference. It's more user friendly, and there's more likely that your employees have had some interaction with Windows. Windows also offers regular patches and support. This is good because if you have any downtime or issues, you can get quick support to make sure your operations aren't impacted in your business. Windows is also compatible with more software and applications, and they offer more hardware support. So, some enterprise network storage solutions. The first one I have is network attached storage. This is a storage device connected to a network and it retrieves data from a centralized location. It also delivers shared storage as network mounted volumes and uses protocols like NFS and SMB/CIFS. It's simple to set up and deploy and less expensive. The other one, storage area network, high-speed network of storage devices that interconnects and delivers shared pools of storage devices to servers. Each server can access shared storage. Local network composed of multiple devices. SAN connected disks appear to the user as local drives. This one is more expensive, and it's a little more complicated and requires more administration. So, ethical considerations. From a Christian perspective, one should practice high moral values and ethics that reflects your beliefs. Behavior needs to reflect these values and guide your decision making. So with our storage devices, storage should be safe and secure to guarantee integrity. Also, security and integrity should never be compromised to lower your cost, just to lower cost. Client privacy also needs to be guaranteed, and you need to offer trust between the client. And this is a list of my references. Thank you for listening.